Guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression. We have here 9 divided by 3 and 1 over 2. We have one mixed number here that we have to write this mixed number to a proper fraction. So we have 9 divided by, we have to change this mixed number to a proper fraction in this way. 3 times 2 gives us 6, and 6 plus 1 gives us 7 over the same numerator, that is 2. Now we have 9 divided by 7 over 2. According to the rules of mathematics KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So keep first fraction 9 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction 2 over 7. Now we have here 9 times 2 gives us 18 over 1 times 7 gives us 7. The final answer is 18 over 7. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.